Okay, we've got a pretty exciting night coming up, Judy. At 5 o'clock, we have the Boots, Buckles, and Bling. And it's going to be pretty exciting. It's a barbecue, and the proceeds are going to the Ophelia Project, which is a local charity here. And it's going to be really, really cool. So stay tuned. Looking good. It's looking good. Look at that. No thanks. It's looking good. Thank you. Yes. Oh, look at that. Okay, the meal is being prepared.
Yes.
And the people will be coming in soon.
Denise. I'm Denise.
Oh, Denise.
This is Gordon.
Yeah, my name's Gordon. That's Judy. So, how did this whole thing come about? I mean, the Ophelia Project being donated and all that stuff.
So this particular barbecue team we've used for years, and they used to be the YMCA barbecue team. So all their proceeds would go to the YMCA. Now they became the barbecue team so they can help support other organizations out there and not feel bad with the Y's name having the money not go to them. So the Ophelia Project is the project that they chose, or the group that they chose. So
that's great. And what about the name? Boots, Buckles, and Bling. I love that name. Who came up with that?
Credit to the social committee. When we were talking last season before we ended, we talked about, we didn't want to do hoedown, we didn't want to do redneck, anything. We had to be politically correct. So we thought Boots, Buckles, and Bling. 3 B's.
So what's going to happen tonight?
A whole lot of fun.
A whole lot of fun. We're going to have great music by Aaron
Alexander.
He'll be here. He's the same one who he's performed here several times.
Yeah.
But last time we just had him at the food truck night, which was great.
Right.
The Christmas party.
Yeah. And then with the fun with these barbecue guys, it's going to be a great time. Yeah. Line dancing.
Line dancing. We have the 2 line dancing classes that go on during the week, and so the 2 teachers put some music together, and I gave them over to our
musician
entertainment tonight, and he put a playlist together. So in between his breaks, he will play that music so our dancers can come out and enjoy the line dancing that they've been learning.
Yeah, but you have such a great committee, and you have owners who volunteer their time.
Absolutely.
We have a lot of volunteers here, don't we?
We have a lot of volunteers.
Yeah,
that's great.
I'm so grateful. If you look at the centerpieces, I actually have a machine that cuts out these great little things. So I put them together, and I was here yesterday working on them. I had volunteers stay after the dance class and help me. So that was a big help, where our social committee usually comes in and helps. We had a time set, but a lot of it was done because we had some volunteers come in, which was great because then they could go out and enjoy their Friday night. So it worked out. It's an all team effort, and so
that's great.
Yeah.
Well, you got a lot of things coming up too, don't you?
Yes, we do. Yep, the Valentine's Day prom, our pre-game tailgate party outside at the bocce ball courts, which will be a whole lot of fun, and then we have Mardi Gras parade and party.
That barbecue smells awfully good out there.
The barbecue capital of the world here in Indio,
Yeah?
Our barbecue team is internationally famous.
Oh, you're kidding.
Oh, God, we go all over the planet.
Well, what's the name of your company?
Why
not?
Barbecue? Because we have guys that you couldn't hire them to come out and do it. They like to get and volunteer for nonprofits. So the money we raise goes to a nonprofit. This one's going to be to Ophelia, a really great organization that works with the 3 school districts within the Coachella Valley. And I've got guys on the team that, one, we have a retired mayor from Palm Desert. We got 2 bank presidents. We have a construction superintendent. We have a retired judge. We just got all kinds of people that like to barbecue, eat fun stuff, and have a shot at tequila and a beer.
That's great. And what's your name?
My name's Rob Ballou.
Well, it looks yummy and smells delicious
Feels
out
great.
there. Yeah, yeah.
All right, well, thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Have a good time.
All right.
So there's 3 gals that have done this for a long time.
Uh-huh.
Kristen and Maggie and Deanie. And they just have a lot of great ideas.
Oh, yeah.
So-
It's a great name, and I've
Yeah.
never seen this name before, and
me neither.
that's a great charity
Yeah.
that the proceeds are going to,
Yeah.
and yeah, it's pretty
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
I watched about the Ophelia project, and it really looks great.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it looks really good.
So good job to the social committee.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes.
Thank you.
Okay, it's going to be an exciting night tonight. So
You're just getting all geared up and ready
everybody's
to
getting
go.
ready. The meat's being cooked. The beans are being cooked. The chicken's being cooked.
Yeah.
Everything's out there, and the tables are ready. All we're waiting for now is for 5 o'clock when all the
People show
people
up.
show up.
Yeah, yeah,
and
it'll
we'll
be
see
fun.
what they're dressed in.
Yeah.
Stay
See-
tuned. And here come some people right here, and I see some cowboy hats. At least one cowboy hat. Isn't this great? ORI is having this. Isn't this a great?
Are you
event?
excited about
How
it?
you doing?
You're doing fine. Looking forward to
You got
having-
your hat on.
having a good
You're
time.
ready.
You bet.
All right.
You're ready.
One.
All
You
right,
ready
you
for
look the
tonight?
part.
Look at her bling. She is blinged out.
birthday present from one of our kids.
Very good.
That's what we go.
Oh,
Like we are.
That's the way you are anyway. It's no costume, no dress up. That's the way you are.
have fun.
All right.
Yeah, she really had a blinged out cup, didn't
Yeah,
she?
I know she did. Here comes a real cowgirl with her hat. Look at that.
Texas.
Oh man, Texas even. Look at that hat.
You ready for barbecue? Are you ready for barbecue?
Oh, let me tell you, that
We
barbecue-
looked at it. We looked at it. It was good. Oh
look
my
at the
lord.
bling. All right.
We're actually-
Have fun, guys.
Yeah.
An old drunk.
Oh,
There's
ah,
Sue.
there's Sue.
I got my glasses.
You got your glasses on.
Yeah, those are cowboy. See my
Oh,
boots?
there
look at the
you
boots.
Yeah, I
go.
got boots. Don't look at my glasses.
You're ready.
Oh, hey, that's good stuff.
Tom is
that's
gonna
good
drink.
stuff. Are you a bourbon drinker? Yep. Oh my God, look at her. Look at her.
I'm representing.
Oh, Vicky, that's great.
She's a star.
Are you from
A
Texas or
Texas
something?
star.
I am.
Come on out here a second. I want to ask you a question. Come on out here. Oh my God, look at Did the rodeo just stop out there? Or? Look at her. Wow.
Now, I thought your hat lit up.
It does. Oh, wait.
Or did Mike get the lit up hat? Oh, there you go.
Jeez,
there
look
you
at that
go.
Representing.
The state of Texas.
Texas.
The great state of Texas. Here's a couple country western stars. Here they are, right here, coming in. Got their booze.
We're playing pretend. We're pretending. You're pretending.
You got your boots on.
From Michigan. We're not the Westerner. Yeah, we're from Michigan. Thank you. Oh, look at you.
Oh man, look at them. Close up on that hat. I had no idea there was a rodeo going on.
Where's the bucking Bronco?
Oh, they're inside. Good hats. Now, I'd say that's
She
bling.
is blinged out.
Bling.
Boots.
The boots.
Bling and show the belt buckle. She's got it all.
Buckles, boots, buckles, and bling. You guys are ready. Where's your bling?
But you're
the
not
bling.
very,
You
you're
are
not very
the bling.
Western. Well, it seems like people are definitely showing up and taking advantage of the theme.
Folks, there's a lot of stuff that happens behind the scenes, and what you're watching here is a lot of action, and a lot of people really devote themselves to doing a good job and producing some good food for everybody. So I think it's going to be a great night.
This group of gentlemen volunteer to raise money for nonprofits by doing barbecues. These are some of our city officials, some of our
I gotta go do my work.
City planners, We've got an educator that was Teacher of the Year. We have a blessing of individuals that like to barbecue, drink shots of tequila and beer, and eat what they like without their wives bothering us. So that's what makes this group so popular. And our barbecue team features something called, Jake, if you could hold one of those bottles up, it's our own brand of tequila called Dog Shit Tequila. Most people, when they taste it, they go, well, that doesn't taste bad. Well, it depends where you start with your expectations. So if you're interested, we're doing a silent auction. There's 2 bottles there. We've had bottles sell for as much as $2,000. It's just for fun to raise money for the Feeling Project.
And I've still got Tennessee on my mind. I miss the smoke on the Cumberland and the fireflies at midnight and the color of the leaves in the fall. Who are we to know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow? The sun is gonna rise each and every time, and I've still got Tennessee on. Yeah, I've still got Tennessee on my mind.
Okay, I think we'll call that a wrap. I think it was a pretty successful night of the Boots, Buckles,
And Bling event. And hopefully they raised a lot of money for the Ophelia project.
Yep. Well, thanks for watching. We appreciate it, and hope you had a good time watching this. And this is just one of the major events that we have at Outdoor Resort Indio, and it's very successful. People really have a good time going to these, and you know, we're really a community here. We really enjoy each other. It's a very happy, wonderful place to spend the winter.
Absolutely. Warm too.
All right. Thanks for watching.
Bye.